So I just cut up some celery, a green bell pepper, 1 onion, and 1 jalapeno pepper. I'm gonna use the rest of the hamburger meat that I had from making the chili the other day and make another batch. We went through that batch really quick. So that's what I'm making now. I'm prepping now for tomorrow's all day long cooking. Thanksgiving, everybody. It's gonna be Thanksgiving. Waiting for my extra virgin olive oil to heat up so I can saute the onions, bell pepper, and celery. Do you use a trash bowl? Yay or nay? Now I'm gonna let that cook up just a wee bit, soften up just a little bit, and then I'll add the hamburger meat and cook the hamburger meat until it's brown, drain off the grease, and then put all the ingredients together that makes the keto low carb chili. If you missed that video where I share the recipe, I will link it down below. So writing out my list for our Thanksgiving meal, I had to look over all my spices and see what I had. And while I was doing it, I actually straightened it up and got rid of some that was just super hard from the humidity. I mean, it looks a lot better. To me, I wish I had enough room to store all of my seasonings and herbs in one spot, one area. I'll bring it to a boil and then turn it down and let it cook low and slow until we're ready to eat it tonight. Looks yummy again. Now that I go to my office, my kitchen table. I end up adding one recipe last night and just submitted an order and picked that up early this morning for sausage balls. And I also found this easy keto biscuit recipe. We got rolls for Ken, so I'm gonna make these for myself or both of us. And then the 5-ingredient keto sausage balls. I'll let you know how these keto recipes turned out. Who has started Christmas shopping? My hands in the air. We have. Hard to believe for us, but we have. They're already starting the Black Friday sales. Got some good sales too. What he ordered for me is my Christmas gift, and I'm just assuming what he ordered for himself is also a Christmas gift. Ho ho ho. Guess what I'll be starting this weekend? Usually I'm started before now, but it is what it is. So let's add those 2 recipes to our Thanksgiving meal. Now I think I have the Thanksgiving meal recipes put together. And I think I'm getting in the mood for starting Christmas movies. And let the season begin. Merry ho ho ho, some Christmas gifts arrived today. Yippee! Y'all, I cooked so much yesterday. So many hours on my feet cooking, preparing, chopping, dicing, you know the drill. I ran out of drying towels, and I have a lot of dish drying towels, so that says a lot. What am I doing? Drying up all those drying towels. Today is sheet washing day. I always love sheet washing. Well, I always love clean sheet. First night clean sheet day. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm starting a donate pile. Never wear jeans with bling, studs, etc. on jeans or on any part of your clothes going through security at the airport. Oh my gosh, they wanded me down so hard and so heavy they knocked off jewels. So it's time for me to let go of the jeweled out blue jeans. Working on my closet this morning. No rhyme or reason, just doing it, doing the thing. Or is it doing all the things? These hung to dry. They're dry, ready to be put away. I need to try these pants on. And some of you might be, why do you have a toolbox in your closet? That has my makeup in it. That is all makeup storage. I need a bigger closet. Because I don't see anywhere in my near future me downsizing this kind of stuff. More shoes up there. I've had those shoes forever. I'm talking about 10 plus years. I guess as long as I can walk in and out here, I'm good, right? I've got to get my Christmas t-shirts. Get those out and I'll wash them up. I just feel like when I've had them hanging all year or stored all year in the closet here, they just sort of kind of have this stale. That's what I'm looking for, my clothes to smell fresh. I am very scent sensitive. I need to go through my pants here. You know, one of those someday need to, gotta do, will you get around to. I went through quite a bit of my shirts here last night, long sleeves, and my 3/4 and no sleeves behind my jeans there. I did that last night. One project at a time, sweet Jesus. Believe it or not, Ken has the larger closet. Can you believe that? He does. It's much bigger than mine. Which I lost hanging space, valuable hanging space I might add, to put my makeup tool chest here. Because I used to actually have a rack down here, and there was a rack down here. I wanted that one taken up to give me some floor space. There's no rhyme or reason to my closet madness. It is what it is. Oh my gosh. Go through my jeans back here, take them down to the guest bedroom and find a spot in there to put them, the ones that I can't wear right now. I just hate to get rid of them. I did that last year. All the way too tiny clothes that I said I'll never get back into, got rid of them. And can you believe I'm having to reorder a few pieces that I had donated or given to my grandbabies or my daughter, like just plain solid colored shirts, long sleeve shirts. I'm having to re-get those because we all need just plain long sleeve solid color t-shirts, right? And of course we do. Who am I kidding? Oh my gosh. I heard somebody tiptoeing back there. Eavesdropping on me. Who was eavesdropping on me? Who was eavesdropping on me? Huh? Who is eavesdropping on me? Yes, they live here. So they are given freedom to jump on the bed. Right, Soapers. Oh, my baby. So we ordered these boots when they're on sale at Tractor Supply because I go through several pair when it's the mowing yard work season. Ken had actually ordered 2 pair for me, and I'm just now bringing them into my closet. And then I've got a new pair out on the porch that I've been using here the past several yard work mowings I've been doing. And would y'all think that I can appreciate shoes? You see, I like one certain style, boot style. I wear them all year round. And those of you that move your clothes from season to season and store your seasonal clothes away, I don't think I've ever done that. Like my cardigans and my coats and jackets are either in the coat closet in the living room or down in the guest bedroom in that closet, but they stay there all year round. I have never packed up, put away, stored away seasonal clothes. That may be what, I've got a lot going on here, but heck, no, I don't do that. Do you do that? I know a few of you YouTubers that I watch, you do that. Never heard of it until I think I started watching YouTube. I thought your clothes hung in your closet all year long. Now, like I said, the coats, the cardigans, the jackets, the lightweight jackets, I can understand storing those away during the spring and summer.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.